This is 7.1b. We're going to be simplifying rational expressions. And here we have a rational expression divided by a rational expression. So we need to flip this one upside down. So we get 3x minus 15 over x plus 2, and we'll multiply by 5x plus 10 over 6x minus 30. And then we try to factor. This one I can pull out a 3 and I get x minus 5. This one I can pull out a 5 and I get x plus 2. And this one I can pull out a 6 and I get x minus 5. And we start canceling. X minus 5 cancels x minus 5. And x plus 2 cancels x plus 2. And this 3 goes into the 6 twice. So I'm left with a 5 and a 2. All right, so this one, we leave the numerator, x minus 5 and 4x to the third, and we times it by the reciprocal of the denominator. So 7x over x minus 5. The x minus 5's cancel. This x gets rid of one of these x's. So I'm left with 7 over 4x squared. Okay, so I'm going to flip this one upside down and factor everything. The left side remains x minus 2, and then the bottom will be 3 times x minus 1 times. This factors into x minus 1 and x plus 2, and then the other side does not factor. So the x minus 1's cancel, and that's it. So x minus 2 times x plus 2 is on top, and 3 times x plus 3 will be on bottom. Same idea here. We're going to multiply by 6n to the 4th over 5x to the 4th y to the 4th after we reciprocate the denominator. 5 goes into 10 twice. 3 goes into 6 twice. These x to the 4th, oops, that's not what I meant to do. So these two x's, we'll get rid of 2 of those x's. And n to the 3rd, we'll get rid of 3 of those n's. So on top, I have a 4. Oh, this y will get rid of one of those y's. So on top, I have 4n. And on bottom, I have m x squared and y to the 3rd. Same thing here. 3x over 4a squared x to the 5th times 8a over 15x. The x's cancel. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 4 goes into 8 twice. A gets rid of one of those a's. So on top I have a 2. And on bottom I have a 5 and an a and an x to the 5th. All right. Same idea here. So this is a difference of perfect squares. So I have 7x minus 5 and 7x plus 5, and then a 4 and an x minus 3. And this one I have to factor using the box. So put in 2x squared and negative 21. Multiply those together. Negative 41x squared. And then I factor that. Oh no, 42. That won't work. 41. Factor that and try to get a plus 1. So that would be 7x and negative 6x. So put 7x in here and negative 6x in there. Pull out an x, and I'm left with 2x plus 7. Pull out a 2x, and I get a minus 3. So those factors are 2x plus 7 and x minus 3 and a 7x plus 5. So the 7x plus 5s cancel. The x minus 3s cancel. And my final answer would be 4 times 7x minus 5 over 2x plus 7. All right. This numerator is u plus 5 and u plus 4 over 6u to the third. And then we times that by 2u over u plus 4. So 2 goes into 6 3 times. This u gets rid of 2 of those. U plus 4's cancel. The top is u plus 5, and the bottom is 3u squared. Kind of getting the hang of this? Okay. Same thing there. Same thing here, but we're going to do this one. So, need the box. Plug that in. 4x squared, negative 3. Multiply those together. Negative 12x squared. And I want to find two values that multiply to be negative 12 and add to be negative 4. So that would be negative 6x and 2x. Negative 6x and 2x. So these share a 2x, and that will leave me with 2x minus 3. If I pull a 2x here, I get 2x plus 1. So I write down those factors. And pull out a 3 from the bottom. And then flip the other side upside down. The denominator upside down. X plus 2. And then that would be 2x minus 3 and 2x plus 3. So the 2x minus 3's cancel. The x plus 2's cancel. And we're left with 2x plus 1 over 3 times 2x plus 3. All right, let's do this one. So pull out a 2, and I get x minus y. And then x minus 4y and x plus 4y. That one looks a little tricky, but it's just a difference of perfect squares. Okay. The next one looks a little weird. Let's imagine there was no y in there. What if I had x squared minus x minus 20? Well, I would just factor that into x minus 5 and x plus 4. Well, what if I put a y and a y squared there? All that's going to do is put a y here and a y here. And then that is over x minus y. So those go away. Those go away. And looks like that's it. All right. This is going to be 3 times x minus 7y over x minus 6y and x plus 6y. Flip the other side upside down. Two numbers that multiply to be negative 12 and add to be 4. That would be x plus 6y times x minus 2y. And then that is over x minus 7y. So those cancel, and that's it. All right. This is the only one that needs to flip upside down. So x minus 9 times x plus 1 over 9x times x plus 3. And then that's a difference of perfect squares, x minus 9 and x plus 9. Flip the last one upside down, x plus 9 over x plus 3. And let the canceling begin. X minus plus 3's cancel, the minus 9's and the plus 9's. So, also the x's. So I'm left with x plus 1 over 9. That's it. Get working on 7.1b.